Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the Glaze widget for making beautiful WordPress image galleries, brought to you by the Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. Those who want to add a classic look to their photo galleries can use the Glaze widget to create such an interface to impress your visitors. The gallery widget is equipped with a hover animation that shows a read more button on top of a background overlay. Of course, these are customizable and can be turned off if necessary. On the screen, you can see a couple of demonstrations that we made to show you how the final layout comes out after customizations. The content part, where the title and meta text goes, can be customized too. Here we added a gradient background to that part. So this is the front end. Now let us show you the back end. Okay, so the widget is already dropped inside the page. From the option, you can adjust the row gap and column gap to evenly space the gallery items. There is item height scroll bar and a masonry switchers below. Then there are two switchers to control the visibility of the title and meta text. You can set the title tag. The alignment option is for the texts, and you can change the image size for all item images from here. Now click on the link option and select media file. Set yes to lightbox and change the link target to only button. Only selecting the only button option from link target will make the read more button appear on hover screen. Next, go to the item section where the all gallery items are listed. To add more, click on the add item button below or click the cross icon to reduce the number of items. Then let's click on the first item box, then the image field, and choose an image for the gallery item. Then change the title text. In the same way, finish the rest. Then you can go back to the item box number 2 and click on the grid subsection. Here you can directly modify the shape of the gallery item by rows and columns, selecting 8 for the column span. Let's do the same for the last item as well. Now let's switch to the Style tab and go to the Content section. There, click on the background type on the gradient icon and select your gradient colors for the content part. Adjust the location bars and change the angle of the gradient. Then unlink the border radius and add values to bend the edges of the images. Also, increase the padding to increase the fill size. Then go to the image section and add a similar tone as the overlay color while reducing the opacity. Check that out. Then add border radius values for the images. Don't forget to unlink the values and zero the bottom value. Next, go to the title section and change the color of the titles to white. Then customize the font from the typography option, the font family, size, and weight. In the same way, change the meta text color to white too while reducing the opacity a bit. Also, customize the typography option to make changes to the font style. Then go to the Read More section and change the button text color. Then choose a gradient for the button background and customize the colors. Same as before, adjust the color location and angle to match that of the content part. Check how it looks. Then switch to the hover subsection and just reverse the gradient. Back into the normal mode window. Let's add a solid border to the button while changing the border width to 0. Apply a thin border radius. Then add and customize the padding value. When done, minimize the options panel and check out the layout. That's how easily you can create such an amazing galleries with Glaze widget. Thanks for enjoying this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to receive updates for the new tutorials. Stay safe and see you next time.